Shenzhen Dongye Tengfei Electronic Company Limited. Oriwhiz is a professional manufacturer and distributor specializing in the cell phone, LCD, and spare parts industry. Our company located in Shenzhen, China, which owns a factory of 5,000 square meters, including a 12K dust-free production workshop and fully automatic production equipment. The company employs more than 160 people, and the technical team has more than 10 years of experience in the industry. Oriwhiz has perfect management system and has passed the ISO 9001 quality management system and CE FCC RoHS certification. The company has one COF production line and one COG production line. Products pass rate can reach 99.8%, and the capacity is 5 to 6K per line. The total is 12K per day. Oriwhiz has an efficient management team, including technical development, production, inspection, packaging, QC, and transportation to ensure the high quality of products and high efficiency of transportation. We are committed to manufacturing and selling high-quality LCD screens to professional repair stores, foreign wholesalers and distributors, refurbishment company, insurance company, etc. Our goal is to become a respected enterprise, provide caring products for customers, and help customers solve problems 24 hours at any time. Welcome inquiry or order. OEM or ODM is acceptable.